Welcome to the Cash App Money Machine, the simplest, fastest way to build your wealth online using the power of teamwork and a little bit of strategy. Here's how it works. You start by sending just $2 to the 5 people listed on the website. It's a small investment for a potentially huge return. Once you've done that, remove the number 1 person from the list. Then, move everyone else up 1 spot. Finally, add your Cash App tag to the number 5 position. Now, it's time to create your own website with your Cash App tag in that number 5 spot. You can use Google Sites to create a simple, professional-looking page. Make sure to copy the exact same content from the original site so everything stays consistent. Just replace the Cash App tag in the 5th spot with your own. Now that your website is live, it's time to promote it. Share your site with friends, family, and on social media. The more people who see it, the faster your list will grow. The key is getting your site out there. The more people who participate, the higher up on the list you move, and the more $2 payments you'll receive. The Cash App Money Machine is a fun, easy way to start building wealth with just $2. Remember, the more you promote, the more you earn. So, what are you waiting for? Get started today and watch your Cash App balance grow. Join the movement and turn your small investment into big returns with the Cash App Money Machine. Link is in the description and also the link to get this video script for free, along with the trending hashtag to make your own personal video. Visit http://google.com/view Cash App Money Machine and get started today.